Hi friends, welcome to Vivegam V Plus Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about collinearity and how to prove 3 points are collinear using distance formula. Okay, so first let's see what is collinear. Now consider this straight line. On this straight line, 3 points are lying. So let's take those 3 points as A, B and C. Now consider another 3 points P, Q and then R. Now you see P, Q both are lying on a same straight line but not R. Okay. So now if 3 or more than 3 points are lying on a same straight line, then that property is called as collinearity. If those points are not lying on a same straight line, then we call that as non-collinearity. Now the question is how to prove those points are collinear and non-collinear, because it is very easy when you see that on the figure. Okay, so if you see those points on the figure, it is very easy to identify whether it is collinear or non-collinear. Now they have given only the coordinates. So using the coordinates, how to prove that as a collinear? Let's see through one problem. Before solving the problem, we need one more important property. Now look at this figure. 3 points A, B, C all are lying on a same straight line. Now the distance between A and B and the distance between B and C, if I add those distance, I will get the distance between A and C. So this is the important property of the collinearity. So only we are using the distance formula. For example, if they have given the coordinates of A, B and C, so first what we have to do now, the distance between AB and the distance between BC and the distance between AC. Okay, so first you find all those distances. Then you have to find out when you add these two distances whether you are getting the distance between first point and third point. If you get the same answer, then those points are forming the collinearity. Now let's solve the problem. Now look at this problem. Show that the points 1, -1, 5, 2 and 9, 5 are collinear. The first step is you are going to take all the points as A, B and C. So A is 1, -1, B is 5, 2 and C is 9, 5. So you know that very well. The distance between 2 points we can calculate using the formula x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Okay. So this is the distance formula. Now I am going to calculate the distance between A and B. So AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1. So 2 minus of minus 1 the whole square. 5 minus 1 that is 4 squared plus 2 minus of minus 1. So you know that very well, minus of minus that will become plus. So 2 plus 1 3 squared. So 4 squared 16, 3 squared 9. So root of 25. We know that very well, 25 is a perfect square. So the answer is 5 units. Now let's find the distance between B and C. So BC is equal to root of 9 minus 5 the whole squared plus 5 minus 2 the whole squared is equal to, so 9 minus 5 that is 4 squared plus 5 minus 2 3 squared. So again the same value, 16 plus 9 root of 25, 5 units. So now the last step, we are going to find the distance between the first point A and the third point C. AC is equal to 9 minus 1 the whole squared plus 5 minus of minus 1. So 5 plus 1 the whole squared. So root of 9 minus 1 that is 8 squared, 5 plus 1 6 squared. So 8 squared value is 64, 6 squared that is 36, root of 100. Now again 100 is a perfect square. So what is the answer? 10 units. Now look at all these values. So when I add 5 plus 5, I am getting the next one 10. So which means AB plus BC is equal to AC. So what is the meaning of it? This is the point A and point B and point C. When we add the distance between the first and second point and second and third point, we are getting the resultant answer, that is the distance between the first and third point. So we are satisfying the property of the collinearity. So hence we can prove the given 3 points are forming the collinear. So now I hope you understood this concept. In the next video, we are going to prove the same collinearity but using the area of triangle formula. Thank you.